stand straight. Step your feet into a wider than shoulder with position toes pointed forward. From here, pivot the right foot out by 90 degrees and turn the hip to the right while the back foot turns in by 45 degrees. Align the heels. Inhale as you raise the arms overhead in Namaste. Exhale. Bend in the front knee so that your right shin is vertical and you are in a lang. Hold this position and breathe normally here. Inhale. Bring the arms down from the side of your hips. Now repeat on the left side. Inhale. Bring the arms overhead in Namaste. Duck the tailbone in and focus on elongating the torso up towards the ceiling. Gaze in the front to challenge your balance. You can gaze up towards the ceiling. Inhale, bring the arms down and exhale. Come back to starting position. Stand erect with your feet together. Inhale. Raise your arms straight in front to shoulder level. Push your hips back and when your knees like sitting in a chair and bring your thighs as parallel to the floor as possible, hold this position for 15 seconds. Keep your back straight and thighs together. Keep your shoulder blades down, away from the ears. Keep your weight equally distributed on the inner and outer edges of the feet. Breathe normally and keep the spine tall. Engage the abs and keep tailbone gently tucked in so that you don't search the back excessively. Sit on the mat with your back straight in and your legs stretched out in front of you and parallel to each other. Place your palms next to your hips on the floor with the fingers pointing forward. Flex your feet and press your heels. Breathe normally. Hold this position 15 seconds. To begin, lie down on your back. Bend your right knee, then your left knee and keep your feet apart. Hold your ankles with your hands. Now inhaling, slowly lift your lower back, middle back, and upper back as much as you can off the floor. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Try lifting your back as high as possible and expand your chest upwards. Release your right leg, then left leg. Come back to the starting position and relax. Lie down on your back with straight legs, arms by your side. Bend both the legs and place them hip-width distance. Hold the ankles in the palms to ensure that they are closer to the hips. Take the palms and place them behind the shoulders, ensuring your fingers are splayed open and pointed towards your shoulders. Now press into both the heels and palms to lift the hip up. Squeeze the glutes to keep the hips stable. Gaze in the front or between the palms. Focus on lifting the chest up. Avoid buckling the knees and keep them in line with the toes. To come down when the elbows dug the chain in and slowly rest the back of the head on the floor, then the upper back, mid back and then the lower back and hips on the floor. Lie on your back with your feet together and arms beside your body. Inhale. Lift your upper body and both your legs off the floor, reaching your arms towards your feet. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Engage as you tighten the abs and raise your torso and legs off the floor with arms in front of your legs. Try to keep your eyes, fist and toes in one line. As you exhale, come back to the ground slowly and relax. Lie on your stomach, hands resting under your chin, legs slightly separated, and stretch your arms in the front, parallel to each other, with palms facing down. Now inhale deeply. Lift your right arm and left leg of the flow. Simultaneously lift your head and rib cage off as much as you can. Exhale and bring your arms, leg, chest and head slowly on the ground. Again inhaled, lift your left arm and right leg off the floor. Simultaneously lift your head and rib cage off and arch the spine as much as you can. Exhale and bring your arms, leg, chest and head slowly on the ground. Now inhale deeply and lift all the four limbs, your head and chest off the floor simultaneously. Make sure your tailbone is stuck in and are engaged. Ensure that your elbows and knees are not bent. Exhale and bring your arms, leg, chest and head slowly on the ground. Lie flat on your stomach, with your feet together and your arms and hands beside your body. Bend your knees and bring your heels close to your buttocks. Interlock your fingers around your ankles, arch your back, lifting your thighs, chest and head together. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Keep your arms straight. Come back to the starting position.